Tui. We are forever trench buddies, as we know. Happy hash bash, everybody. I gotta free the weed. Free the people. The war on drugs has been talked about a lot, and it should be. And it begs the question of why was cannabis made illegal in the first place? And this hash bash, which is grown out of the illegal cannabis laws in Michigan, coincide with a 50-year law that was enacted, or event that happened in history, which is driven by Dick Nixon, former president. He wanted to know what to do about cannabis back in the 70s. Created a commission called the Schaefer Commission, and they put together a report suggesting to the federal government that they should not make cannabis illegal. Nixon said, "Didn't you get the memo? These are my enemies, my political enemies. I'm going to lock them up. They're the ones that are using cannabis, the Vietnam War protesters, the civil rights activists." And out of this came the Controlled Substances Act, making cannabis a Schedule I drug. Several years later, one of Nixon's aides admitted that they knew this was a lie, that they knew that cannabis was safer than alcohol and most other substances that are legal. The ramifications of this have been 30 million people's lives have been destroyed since that time. Look around you. The war on drugs, cannabis won the war on drugs. Look at the winners around you. These are the winners of the war on cannabis. Now, with that being said, there's a lot of work to be done. For some reason, after announcing that there was $3 billion brought into the state of Michigan from the regulated tax program, cannabis still remains a Schedule I in Michigan. How could this be? The legislators and the governor should be getting locked up if that's true, selling a Schedule I drug and making $3 billion. And despite this, we still got problems when people are getting dragged into courts. Felonized, not so much, but we've got child protective services, we've got housing issues, we've got people under the age of 21 still not protected. Smoking in public, illegal. And of course, driving. Can't prove anyone's impaired, I don't even know it's a thing, but people are getting dragged into court for that. Free legal advice today. You get pulled over by the police while you're driving. Don't talk, don't walk, and don't spit in their cup that they want you to.
I'm sure he'll be there too, so I'll make sure you guys talk.
The reality here is that we've made too much of the illegality of cannabis. Should have been, never gotten to this point. It's laughable because over the last 12 years I've watched carnage and people's legs get torn apart merely for using medical cannabis or going for a patient. You've got a long way to go. Be diligent, stay in touch with the laws that are being passed. Michael Tui's case, and now the bill, which is the anti-Tui case, trying to allow judges to now prevent medical marijuana patients from using their cannabis when they're on probation. So let me leave you with this. A famous wise woman once said, you give a group of ladies a case of wine, they're going to flip over a table and get in a fight. You give them a bag of cannabis, they'll do a TikTok. Free the weed.